This biker was cruising along when out of nowhere a BMW driver dangerously cut him off. I guarantee this is the funniest road rage instant karma you'll ever see. After the biker flashed the middle finger, the BMW driver lost it, honked like crazy, and pulled up right next to him. He started hurling insults at the biker, who shot back that the driver risked his life just to look cool in front of the girl sitting next to him. The BMW driver even threatened to run him over and then sped off dangerously close. Then the biker decided to follow the BMW for a while. What happens next is pure gold. You've got to see it for yourself.
Oh, roll down the window. What, you think you're bad? You don't think you're bad? You don't think you're bad because you got a girl next to you. You're gonna get fucked up, that's what you think. Huh?